So I'm using medium worsted yarn acrylic and 5.5mm crochet hook. You can use any yarn of your choice with the crochet hook recommended on the yarn label. So I will start with a slip knot. And I'm gonna chain 2. In the second chain from the hook, I'm gonna make 10 half double crochet. So I'm gonna tighten my circle and then I'm gonna slip stitch in I'm gonna slip stitch on top of the first half double crochet, not the chain 2. So insert the hook and slip stitch. Now I got 10 half double crochet in the circle. I'm gonna chain 1, and from this point till the end of the beanie we're gonna work in the third loop of the half double crochet. So this is the first stitch. Let me show you. This is the first stitch. It has 2 loops, the V loop. I'm not gonna work anything over there. I'm gonna work in this loop over here from the half double crochet. I'm gonna show you now. I'm gonna make 2 half double crochet in the third loop of the first stitch. So we've got this V and we've got this loop. I'm gonna yarn over, insert into this loop. So 1, 2 and 3, and I'm gonna make 2 half double crochet in this loop only. Pull through, pull through 2, yarn over again in the same loop, pull through 2. Should look like this. So these 2 loops of the half double crochet, the previous one, they will give the look of the knit stitch. Into the next one, the same thing. Make sure these 2 loops are left behind and you work on the one behind them. Again, 2 half double crochet. So for this round we're gonna make 2 half double crochet in every loop behind the previous half double crochet, which is the third loop. Okay, yarn over, go to the next one. Okay, the same loop. So again, I've got this stitch, 2 loops, and this is the third loop over here. Two half double crochet. So the rest of the work for the flat circle is like a normal circle for the decrease of number of stitches. So the first round is 10 half double crochet. The second round will be 20 half double crochet. Means 2 half double crochet in every stitch, which gives 20 half double crochet. Again, 2 half double crochet in the third loop. So we're gonna count to make sure the stitches are right. So these are 18, 2 more to make it 20. The last ones. Okay, so this is how it looks. So now I'm not gonna close and start the next row. I'm gonna work in spiral, so the work is even and there is no separation, that it shows that you start from here and you end from here. You can place a stitch marker if you want, but for me this is my reference point, this turning point. Whenever I reach this, as I go further with the rows, it shows the end of it. So now for the second row, what we're gonna do, again working the same way in the third loop, I'm gonna start 2 half double crochet in one stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, and I will repeat 2 half double crochet in one stitch, 1 half double crochet in the following stitch. I should get 30 stitches at the end of this round. So this is my next loop, so I'll start with 2 half double crochet. I will follow with 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, and the next one, 1 half double crochet, again 2, and 1 in the next stitch, 2 in the next stitch, 1 in the next stitch. So here I have completed 30 stitches for 1 to 3rd round. Yes. And the end of the round must be always 1 single crochet. So I have done 2 half double crochet in one stitch, 1 half double crochet in the last stitch, which counts 30 and which falls on top of the end of the round. Now on to round 4. We'll have 40 stitches, so always add 10 stitches to each round to have the count right, because we started with 10 half double crochet. So round 4 will be 2 half double crochet in one stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, and I will repeat 2 half double crochet in one stitch, 1 half double crochet in the following 2 stitches until I get 40 stitches total. So again, the back of the half double crochet, 2 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, 2 half double crochet in the following stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next 2. And the last stitches, so 2 half double crochet, 1 and 1, This is around 4 completed, and this is how it looks like. So as you go further with the rows, the knit stitch will for every round will go closer to each other and closes to give the perfect look of the knit stitch. So for round 5 we'll keep increasing the single half double crochet in a stitch by 1, means in one stitch is 2 half double crochet, in the next 3 stitches this time 1 half double crochet, and repeat. In one stitch 2 half double crochet, in the next 3 stitches 1 half double crochet. For this round 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we'll get 50 stitches at the end of the round. So I will finish till around 6. For round 6 you will increase again by 1. You'll have 1 half double crochet in the next 4 stitches. So it increases by 1 in every round. So this is round 6 like we said. Now I'm gonna go to round 7 before I shape the beanie. Before I shape the circle into a beanie. So I can do round 7 and round 8 for medium size. For large size it goes round 8 to round 9 and so on. For smaller size you can start from round 6 shaping the flat circle into a beanie. So for round 7 I'm gonna make 2 half double crochet in the first stitch, 1 half double crochet in the following 5 stitches, which is the back loop of the stitch. So 5 is it? Right. 2 half double crochet in the next stitch, 1 half double crochet in the following 5 stitches. I'm gonna finish this round and I'll come back to show you what to do next. And here is the end of round 7. Now what I'm gonna do, still working in spiral, I'm not gonna make 2 half double crochet in one stitch anymore. For the next 10 rounds or even more, depending how long you want your beanie to be, I'm gonna make 1 half double crochet in every stitch throughout the next 10 rounds. So only 1 half double crochet throughout till I get to round 10. Again, you can place a stitch marker here to count the number of rounds. 10. So here I have finished 20 rows total of knit stitch beanie, 7 rows of flat circle and 13 total rows of half double crochet around. And now we're gonna end the last row, which is 21, with a single crochet to close off the beanie or the hat. So instead of half double crochet, I'm gonna only make a single crochet in the third loop, like this. I'm gonna go around till I'm back to the starting point and then I'll fasten off. And the last 2 stitches. That's it, and then slip stitch into the next stitch and fasten off. And then I can hide my thread in the back loops as well. And that's the beanie complete, knit stitch or camel stitch beanie. Very easy to make and to achieve with whichever size you like. Like we said, the size depends on how many rounds you do for the flat circle. So for the medium size you do 7 rounds. For a large you do 8 to 9 depending how large, and so on. And then you just go around for around 13 to 14 rounds with half double crochet around till the end. And then that was optional, the single crochet at the end, just to give it an even look. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. Don't forget to look at the written pattern, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.